We're going to explain how to remove empty columns in Excel. There are several ways to do this, and we'll cover a few of the most efficient methods. 1. The first method uses Excel's built-in filtering capabilities. Select any cell in your data. Go to the Data tab and click Filter. This will add drop-down arrows to each column header. Click the drop-down arrow for each column and deselect Select All, then only check the blanks. Once done, select all the visible columns that are empty. Right-click and choose Delete. Remember to uncheck the filter afterwards by clicking the Filter button again. 2. A second approach involves using a clever trick with the Go to Special function. Select any cell in your data. Press Ctrl+G to open the Go to dialog box. Click Special and select Blanks. This will highlight all empty cells in your sheet. Now, right-click on any of the selected cells and choose Delete, then Entire Column. This will remove all the columns containing only blank cells. 3. If you prefer a more visual method and have a smaller dataset, you can manually identify and delete empty columns. Simply visually scan your sheet to find columns with no data. Right-click on the column header of an empty column and choose Delete. Repeat this for all empty columns. This method works best for spreadsheets with only a few columns. 4. For larger datasets, or if you need to automate this process, you might consider using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. VBA allows you to write custom macros to identify and delete empty columns programmatically. This is a more advanced technique and requires some familiarity with programming. However, it's incredibly powerful for automating repetitive tasks. Remember to always save a copy of your spreadsheet before making any major changes, just in case you need to revert to the original version. Choosing the best method depends on your comfort level with Excel and the size of your dataset. For small, simple spreadsheets, the manual or Go to Special method might suffice. For larger datasets or repeated tasks, using the filter or even exploring VBA could save you considerable time and effort. We have shown you several ways to remove empty columns in Excel. Choose the one that best suits your needs.